Since then, we start to drag on a change of wind direction and northerly, this colder air further south. And while southernmost parts still doing fairly well today, you'll see the last of that very shortly. It's even here cooler than it was yesterday, and the best of the heat yesterday up to 29 degrees. More cloud around today. Many of us lucky enough to get above 20. So, yep, teens the order of the day, and that cooler feel to the weather will continue through this afternoon and indeed for the rest of this week. And the changes come with more clouds, especially across northern England to the east of the Pennines. The odd spot of rain around as well. North and south of that cloud, still some sunny spells with just one or two showers around. So in more detail then for this cooler afternoon, we'll start in southeast England and certainly feeling fresher in that northeasterly breeze. For the moment, the heat is still with us across the Channel Islands though, into the upper 20s, but you will feel the change by the time we get to tomorrow. Now in the southwest, not faring too bad though, still 20 or above, but inland the warmth could trigger some rather sharp thundery downpours this afternoon in inland parts of Cornwall, Devon and Somerset. East Wales, a lot of cloud, brighter skies the further to the west you are. For Northern Ireland, dry, but that northerly breeze, we're in the mid-teens despite the sunshine. Southern Scotland, mainly dry, a few showers around in the north, one or two down this eastern side. The northerly breeze in control here. And then we're into this cloud across northern England. A few breaks to the west of the Pennines, the odd spot of rain to the east. And the Midlands, fine with some occasional sunshine. Fine also for the Chelsea Flower Show, more manageable at 19 degrees compared with yesterday. So fine enough if you're still heading to that this afternoon and coverage across the BBC. Going on through this evening and overnight, those thunderstorms may rumble around for a time across the southwest. A few showers in the far north. Then later on in the night, we may just see an area of thundery rain brushing parts of Kent and East Sussex. Still some uncertainty about that. Coldest the further north you are, inland in Scotland, even a touch of frost is possible. Into Wednesday then, a lot of cloud around, more showers we've got today. We may even find some longer spells of rain with the odd heavy burst affecting parts of northern, central and perhaps later into eastern England. And those temperatures still into the mid-teens, and where you get above 20 today, and that's the exception of course tomorrow, you're not even going to get that high.